To set up the clock, first of all, we loosen this thumb screw slightly and raise this brass tube, then slightly tighten the thumb screw. And the top of the pendulum is formed into a hook, and you'll notice there's a pin in this brass block. The hook on this pendulum hangs over the pin, so place a point on the pendulum inside the cup in the base, then hang the hook on that pin. And at this point it's okay to pick the clock up and move it and put it in its position. When the clock's in the position in which you're going to use it, you next need to check to see if it's level. And you can tell if it's level if the point on the bottom of the pendulum is near the center of the cup. And here it's a little bit off, so I'm going to turn this leveling disc, which will move the base down a little bit on this side, until the pendulum is near the center of the cup. Then to start the clock, gently rotate the pendulum half a turn and let it go. And now the clock's going.